going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I will be playing with the Moroccan Spice Fenty Beauty palette. So if you want to see what I do with this palette, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I'm getting a chance to play with my Fenty Beauty palette that I received in my BoxyCharm premium box for this month. I haven't played with it yet because I've been busy, as you know, with things going on. I've been having to run around and get stuff before we went on lockdown, honey, okay? So I've been really busy and I haven't had time to really just play with my makeup and stuff. So I'm excited to play with makeup since I'm in the house anyway. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Make sure that you guys, make sure that you sanitize everything. Keep your hands washed. Practice your social distancing. If you get any packages in the mail, try to leave them out for 24 hours. If you can't, I would spray that down with some Lysol, bring it in, take your stuff out, and dispose of the box immediately. And just, try to stay safe and take care of you and your family. But now that I got that out the way, you guys, just stay safe out there. That's what I'm trying to do. But now that we got that out the way, we're going to go on and get started and play with this palette. So I'm going to get you guys zoomed in. Okay, so now that we're all zoomed in, what I'm going to do now, I've already primed my eyes. And I primed my eyes with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, and this is in medium deep. I really do like this concealer. It's a little too dark for me to brighten with, but it does the job. So I like to use it to as a base for my foundation, as a base for my eyeshadows. But I'm going to use my Farrah brush. I don't know if it has it's a 35E brush, and I'm going to get my palette out. And I'm going to go into this nice little brown shade right here, which is going to be Come Get It. Yeah, Come Get It. So I'm going to go into this, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And just see. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, I like that a lot. It really is paying off. Let's get that in there and go in. That's nice. I like the color. Very nice, pretty transition shade. I am liking that a lot. I'm just going to pack a little more on there because I'm like really feeling this color and want it to poppy pop. Just really pretty. I'm just going to hit that outer V out. Buildable, because I see her darkening up. Very nice and blendable. This is a pretty shade. I see myself using this palette a lot. So next up, there is some fallout in the pan, just a little bit. But the next color I'm going to go into is Spice Trip, which is this color right here. It's a little darker brown maroon-ish shade. So I'm just going to put that on my outer V. And I like this brush that I'm using. It is a BH Cosmetics 104 brush, and it's angled, so it like hits your V area perfectly if you're not really good at hitting that outer corner. It is just shaped for it. You just do what I'm doing, go in and out, and boom, you're gonna have your little V shape. It's really easy because the way this brush is shaped. And BH Cosmetic is inexpensive, so very cheap. If you don't have the money right now, I understand. We got to save for essentials. But whenever, time permits, I would definitely check out BH Cosmetics and pick you up some nice little brushes. Whenever time permits, okay? Don't go out there spending money you don't have to spend. Because right now we don't know what's going to happen. And you want to make sure you have money for your essentials and so forth, and your bills, okay? So that just darkened out that outer corner for me. And so next up, I'm going to use another BH Cosmetics brush, and this is a 102, and I'm going to go in to this really pretty shade right up here, and this is the shade, if I'm saying it right, Mirage. Mirage right up there. So yeah, they have the names on the back, just not on the palette. I like them when they're right under the name, under the shadow. It just makes it so much easier. Ooh, so pretty. Yes, come through. I'm liking that. What do y'all think? That is super pretty. So I'm just gonna hit this eye up. Oh my god, it's pretty. Super pretty every day. Just kind of, you can do this every day. Well, this is my everyday look. You know, going out with friends, natural, date night, whatever. But this is my everyday. I like being glitz and glam, and I love glitter and shimmer. Alright, so I do want to do a pop of color. So let me get my, this is a BH Cosmetics 105 brush. It's kind of like a little pointer brush. And I'm going to go into this blue shade, which is, I think it's Fez Up, if I'm saying that correctly. No, not Fez Up. Evil Genie. That's what that is. Evil Genie. Sorry. Fez Up is the next shade next to it. It's hard to read the shades on the back, but that's alright. I'm going to put this on my bottom lash line just to give me a pop of color. Look at that. Because I do have on some blue today. And I literally like this brush to do under my lash line because it really gets precise under there. If you use a too big of a brush, because I see some ladies do it, it just looks so crazy because you have too much down there. Especially if you're using like a brown or a black or, you know, some type of dark color, a maroon color. You look like you got a black eye. So you need to make sure you have a nice, either use a flat precision brush that you would use to eyeline, or a pointer brush. You want to be really precise. You don't want it to look too crazy, okay? Some people be doing too much. Alright, so that is good to go. I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to let y'all see me do that, but I'm not going to, you know, I'm not going to be talking through. I'm just going to speed through this portion, okay? Okay, so this is the finished look. I went on and lined my eyes and did my lashes off camera. It's just a little bit easier for me to do and quicker. So yes, so this is the finished look. I'm definitely liking this palette. It's really pretty. Definitely a nice simple look. I love the little pop of blue, but I'm definitely excited to play with this palette some more. and go from there. But it is very, very, very pretty, you guys. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So I'm very pleased with that. And then look how pretty the casing is. So yes, and the colors, like the shadows, blended really, really nicely, smoothly. You see, I really didn't even do much. I just kind of popped them there, and they just went where they needed to go, honey. Okay, and they look really nice, and they blended together nicely. So I was really happy about that. So I'm excited to play with this palette some more. Okay, but yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys stay safe out there. I know that's what we'll be doing. About to start just cooking up some food and just chilling and probably play a couple games with the kids today. I do have a couple DIYs I'm doing, so be on the lookout for that if you're interested in some DIYs. So, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.